Philomena! Philomena! In fact, I don't just know. Every time you go to cook, that's how you spend all the time cooking.
I spend 5 good hours.
You spend 5 good hours. At the end of the day, it's the same thing that you still cook.
This one is very, very different.
Philomena, are you sure that this thing you cook is different?
5 hours. It's not 5 minutes now.
Anyway, I'm too hungry for this your talk. Hey, Philomena. Philomena.
Why are you doing like that? Eat now.
Come on! Can't I pray? What do you mean?
Sit now.
Philomena, water! Philo, I will deal with you. You want to kill me, Abi? Philomena?
I don't want to kill you. 5 good hours. So that.
Shut up! Thank God it's only 5 hours you spent. Because if you have spent more than 5 hours, this food I would have just died as soon as I ate it. Shut up your mouth! I've told you several times. Before you cook, measure the salt. There's that salt. There's that thing that we used to use and put salt. I know it's bucket you have kept in that kitchen. It's bucket of salt that you have used and put. Every time you want to cook, I've told you, you take small salt like this, you measure it. You see this spoon.
Were you there? I measured the salt.
Philomena, stop saying rubbish. You carry the salt like this. You will put it inside the food. Philomena, you have to take your time. Oh. Maybe your mommy did not teach you how to cook.
Hey, stop it! Did I beg to marry me? I was in my mother's house enjoying my life when you came to marry me. For what? Why will you insult my mother?
Oh, it's now that I've understood. No wonder. Okay, Philo. Come and sit down here. Come. That 1,000 naira I gave you yesterday. I give account.
When did that one start?
I know what you are doing. If I give you money, you will take it. See all that shop in this area. You can use it and buy salt. You buy salt. How many bags of salt do we have in the kitchen? I don't like it. You buy salt. Are we exporting salt? Eh? What do you mean? What rubbish? After you don't want that. If anytime we are going out now and they just see us coming, they just say, Philo, thank God that you are here so that you can come and buy salt.
You think it's because of salt? It's because I'm
every time you cook, see salt. No wonder the food even look like this. Just look at me. After how many years of marriage, look at how I look like.
Did you know?
Just look at how wretched I am. All my mates that are married, look at all of them. They are as big as
because you know how to cook. At least you know how to cook.
Come, keep quiet. I'm going to give you a dirty slap. Don't try me, oh. Just rubbish, that is what you cook. You know what? Okay. What you will do, take this food, package it. Guys, you see that pussycat in that backyard? Package it and give it to that pussycat.
The pussycat, we give thanks to God. Right, I give him this food.
Look at this woman. I'm sure you are the one. Yesterday night as I was going to work, I saw one rat that have died in that room. It's your food that rat ate before it died. All the animals that are dying in this compound, you're the one killing them with this your food.
No, it's their
Keep it! Because if you cook it, by the time you throw it on the ground, they will come and eat it and die. No wonder there's nothing, see, this compound, there's nothing that can exist in this place. Because of your amount of salt. Look at my body. All my bodies, all my blood, if you open my blood now, it's salt that will come out. Come on, keep quiet. I don't have time for rubbish. That is my own. My own is that I don't like nonsense. Now, I've just wasted this water. You know what? I have to leave this place now. I can't afford this rubbish. Take this your food and give to
eat this food before you die. You know you don't have where are you going to eat?
You come and eat your food.
Hey now, this is your own.
Come and eat it. I don't have time for rubbish. You come and eat this food. Oh yeah, sit down here. Sit down.
Neighbor, this is that now. Neighbor, that's why people are just shouting. See, can you allow somebody to rest in this compound? What is this?
Neighbor. Now why? Neighbor, you don't know what is happening.
What?
You don't understand. So salt business is already on fire right now.
That's so necessary. You know that I have been hearing salt. Salt.
Yeah, do you know why you hear salt all the time? You know this Buhari thing. Nothing is there. It's only salt that we
my
move.
sister.
In fact, if you go inside my house now, you will see salt everywhere. And use salt and do decoration on the wall. I'm telling you. Go inside the bedroom, you will see salt. If you go, what will you? It's not salt I need to brush our teeth. Salt is everywhere. I mean it. You don't like salt. Me and my wife are planning on starting a salt business.
No wonder. Every time I sit, always buying salt from that Adobe.
It's because I want to start salt business.
I never knew you had business sense.
Don't insult me.
Wait. She's buying salt from my bookie people.
Oh, every time I see her buying salt.
Thank you.
And it's not even all this small, all those big salt.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
It's okay, Sha.
Don't worry. We want to open a salt shop. We'll open it in that place. That's right.
Wow.
See, as from tomorrow, start coming. Come and buy salt.
Neighbor. Don't worry, we'll keep our voice down.
Please do so, because if some people are trying to sleep,
okay.
They are disturbing us.
It's
So
okay.
continue.
Thank you. Neighbor.
Philo! Hi! So all you are booking in this street now, they know you are stock buyer. Philomena! Hey, no wonder. There's no money in my hand again. All my money is salt that you used to use and buy. Even our booking people have, you know.
Is it also Thais?
Shut up! I have to leave this house. Because if I stay here, I'm going to kill you. Carry this food and give it to that pussycat. I have to go to Iyabasira's place and go and look for something.
You said, where are you going?
I said I'm going to Iyabasira's place.
Hey, you should have told me since now. See, I've been hearing about it. So it's true.
Have you gone crazy?
You have been sleeping with that woman because of food.
Philomena!
It's true now. It's true where you're going.
See, don't insult me. Don't just insult me. How can you say a young, handsome man like me sleeping with that old woman? What do you mean? Sir! Philo?
You are going nowhere. So
I cannot. Don't insult me. I don't like insults. You look at me. Is it because of this nonsense you are cooking here? If you are cooking a good food, will I be going out to buy it?
If you know that I'm not doing well, why can't you do it? You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Philomena! If neighbors enter here again, they will carry stretcher and ambulance because I will make sure I finalize your face. Just get out of my way now. Nonsense. Get out of my way.
This is very, very sick. Look at the face now. Although I did not test it when I was cooking. Let me test it.
Wonderful. Now so, our guy Messi, nothing to you.
Iwo!
Hey!
Iwo machine gun!
Hey! Oh, John Bosco! What are we talking about?
See what Iwo?
Hey! Oh! Longest time. Wow.
Your face is getting
Hey, forget that. See, this economic situation cannot hold me down. No get how.
Now waiting at this. You know, if I say next year I will go marry my own wife.
Now waiting at just the talk there.
The way this man is fresh.
Now God's grace.
Now
only God's grace. If not, I don't die for this marriage since. Now God's grace. Marriage is not easy. Like I tell you now.
Timono first. I beg as I dey come, I dey for outside gate. I dey hear one kind aroma. I know say you know be another person. Tell your wife may bring that thing. You know the thing is too much.
Don't be only us they stay for this company. Maybe not my neighbor.
Timono tell us that. Tell your wife make you bring us. I know what's in your money.
If you talk money, you see me as I dey like this. I'm my mate who don't fast since. Forget that thing. No worry. Philo, bring that malt where they free.
No. We not talk on malt. We take food.
Now the malt I dey talk now. Say you go first drink. The malt.
I don't tell you say I want drink water. I say I want eat. Malt na water now. Now take any here. You say hungry. That's man pikin. Timo, tell your wife make bring food. Abeg, you know say we trek all the way from here. Wetin dem dey call am sef? Alakija. Carry dey come, abeg. Tell your wife.
Make una take newspaper read.
We no want paper. We say food. We dey hungry.
Okay, you don't do. Philo, bring that malt wey dey for fridge.
Not be malt we say we want eat. Not be we say food. I know the one you don't
you don't do. Philo, bring the food. That.
No, you dey talk now.
That food, that one that you cooked.
I know.
Say is the one you cooked.
You know they cook different. No.
Come. Why didn't you bring salt? Go and bring the salt.
Timo. You see wetin I dey talk? See egg, see fish, see
Is this salt? Come. Now this salt take kitchen. Come bring more salt.
That one.
Nah, we have to put salt in this thing. You see, when my wife cooks, she know they put salt for food.
You mean
I'm telling you. So I have to just put
if
it.
If like say una family na get too much salt for body.
God don't do it for us now. In fact, as you can see me in my second name now salt.
You mean now?
I'm telling you the gospel.
Extra! Too early, sir.
Oh yeah, now we start the chopper.
We need to pray now. Wait, make I pray.
We no need to pray. Me are the hungry as I did so.
Timo, water!
Where did you do the food now?
We have to do the food. If food when your wife take time cook, now you come carry salt spoil am. You know you for tell us say you no wan give us food.
Timo, if I don't talk and since now say you no wan give us food. I am not best one. Wait, make them bring the malt come.
Malt okay. Malt no go fit dilute this salt. This just too much.
Make una no vex.
Timo,
Philomena, is there water in the house? There's no water. Shebi the food don finish.
Wait. You know say before we talk of this food, you talk say food no dey. This thing don't just say you know what make you chop your food. No wahala.
They talk like that now.
No wahala.
Mr. Jumbo.
Your stinginess you no dey ever stop.
No, you don't change, oh. No.
You better change.
You don't change.
We are in an era of change, oh. You better change.
Don't talk like this.
Make
una no worry. Next time una come, I will take una go Mr.
Abeg, no.
Philomena. Oh, you don't want to answer, Abi? You know the crime. You know the crime you have committed.
I was doing something inside.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. You are doing something just embarrassing me. All my friends, all of them, they are just embarrassing me.
How?
What do you? Did you see the amount of salt you put inside this food?
I saw you putting that salt inside.
Shebi, if I beat you now, they go say I don't beat you, man.
Wait, I'm not lying now. Me, your friend.
You think he's still playing? You saw me as they are putting the salt inside. Is it not because the salt I put inside and the one you have put inside, which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Come on, take this nonsense food out of this place. Don't be silly. Don't take this nonsense. Go to that backyard, go and kill another pussycat here. Make sure you kill it, oh.
It's not you that forced us.
Hey, shut up your mouth.
Stop it, very good.
See, come. In that my room, there's one rat that has been disturbing me since. Carry that food, use it and prepare correct rat poison. Go and cook it there.
If I don't know how to cook, go and cook it.
Hey, get out!
Hey,
I'm going to hear Basira's place. So.
now go and sleep with the woman.